Do you know why maintaining hygiene in your cafe is crucial? This guide explores the importance of systematic weekly deep cleaning routines. Discover how eAuditor ensures food safety and a welcoming environment. Weekly deep cleaning is vital for food safety, preventing contamination, and ensuring compliance with health regulations. It helps in pest prevention by eliminating conditions that attract pests and vermin. A clean environment enhances customer experience, building trust and satisfaction. It also ensures operational efficiency by maintaining equipment performance and preventing breakdowns. Protect your cafe's reputation with a thorough sanitization routine. To begin, open the eAuditor app on your device and select a comprehensive weekly cafe cleaning checklist. This checklist should cover all key areas of your establishment. Assign specific responsibilities to cafe staff or your dedicated cleaning team. Ensure accountability and thorough coverage of all cleaning tasks. This setup process is essential for effective cleaning management. Sanitize all surfaces, including counters, prep tables, and beverage stations, using approved sanitizers. Deep clean equipment such as espresso machines, blenders, and coffee grinders to maintain optimal performance. Inspect cold storage by wiping and disinfecting refrigerators, freezers, and storage shelves. Discard expired items to ensure food safety. This thorough cleaning prevents contamination and equipment malfunction. In seating and dining areas, wipe down tables, chairs, and high touch surfaces. Sweep, vacuum, and mop floors, rugs, and carpets. Clean windows, doors, and display cases for a spotless appearance. In restrooms, sanitize toilets, sinks, and countertops. Refill soap dispensers, paper towels, and toilet paper, and check for plumbing issues. Sweep and mop kitchen, service, and customer areas thoroughly, focusing on corners and hard to reach spaces. Clean walls, ceiling vents, and baseboards to prevent dust buildup. This improves air quality and maintains a fresh environment. Empty and disinfect trash bins, recycling containers, and compost bins. Conduct pest inspections for signs of droppings, nests, or food contamination. The auditor ensures hygiene and compliance with food safety regulations. It reduces contamination risk and simplifies cleaning task management. Create a clean, safe, and welcoming environment that protects your customers, staff, and business reputation.